Hi, this is Dr. Shiblila here. I hope you like all my previous videos. If you like those, please subscribe. And today I'm going to share you about the composite, where and how we are going to use the composites. Okay. Before I start, I'll show you some of the picture where the composite materials are used. Commonly we use in those conditions. Let's see the pictures. These all are conditions where we use the composites. Okay, before we start the composite filling, first, as soon as we see the tooth, we need to first select the shade of the tooth. Okay, because in composites we'll be having a different shades like A1, B1, C1. Okay, 3 or 4 shades will be available. So with the help of a shade guide, I'll show you in this picture. This is a shade guide. With this we need to uh, uh, select the shade. Okay, and next, after selecting the shade, we need to remove the all the caries. If the tooth is carious, we need to remove all the carious part, or if it is a fracture, we need to evenly trim. Or in an attrited teeth, we need to judge the length of the tooth till where the tooth is to be built up. And even in the post and core after endodontic treatment, we need to see with the help of the composite we can build a post and core. And in abrasion, before abrasion or erosion, we need to clean all the plaque content, whatever it is placed on the tooth surface. We need to clean it with the scaler, and then we need to proceed for the composite placement. Before we start the placing the composite, before we first step will be the etching procedure. I'll show you in this picture. Okay, I'll show you the card which I really prefer to use a Dentsply from the Dentsply company. Okay, this is a composite kit. This is a etchant agent. Okay, this is mainly applied on the tooth for 10 to 20 seconds. After applying, we need to wash it thoroughly. The surface of the tooth will get a chalky discoloration of the tooth. Okay, after that we need to isolate the tooth properly, then apply the bonding agent. This is a bonding agent, and then with the help of these composite kit, before I told you like in the kit it will be available 3 or 4 composites, different shades. With the help of a shade guide we can select the tooth shade, because here it will be available in the different shades like B2, and this is A3, and this is A2, and this is A1 shade. Okay, while doing this or while placing the composite, the isolation should be proper. Okay, see that there should be a proper isolation. And then after applying the composite, we need to cure, and then go for polishing, and then you can see the nice polished tooth. With this picture I'll tell you how to apply. In the first picture, the cavity preparation. The cavity preparation is done, that is the excavated all the carious part, whatever it is there on the tooth, it is excavated. Okay, and in the next picture, the etchant I had showed you, it is applied over the tooth surface. Okay, or the tooth cavity surface. And then in the third picture, it is rinsed with the water, that is it is washed with the water after 20 to 30 seconds. And in fourth picture, after rinsing, it should be dried. Okay, the cavity is dried with the help of a cotton. Okay, and then in the fifth picture, before the application of the bonding, before application of the bonding, the tooth should be isolated. Okay, And then in the sixth picture, after applying the bonding, the tooth is cured for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, and then in the seventh picture, after curing, the placement of the composite by layer, and then it is cured. In eighth picture we can see the tooth is cured, and in the ninth picture we see the polishing of the restored tooth. Okay. Hope you all understood about this procedure. Okay, I'll show you some of the pictures of restored composite.